Hello and welcome to another vlog. Today we're next to the village of Marsalforn. I don't know if this area is within the parameters of Marsalforn as well. If you know, please leave your comments below. And today we are going up to that statue up there. Maybe you are seeing it, which is called Tas-Salvatur, or either the Merzuq Hill in Maltese. It will be another interesting adventure, so stay with us. We have taken this path. There are some palm trees on the right. A lot of fields. It's surrounded with fields, this area. And have a look at the beautiful views. And now we're taking this terrain, which is more different from the other one. It's a bit harder, but it's doable. It's easy doable for everyone. Have a look at this statue up here. We have nearly climbed all this uphill, so it seems there's a small cave here. We'll have a look. And have a look at this beautiful view, eh? Amazing. Some information on the statue. This was installed in 1979 because originally there were about two before this one that were broken with nature elements. And if I'm not mistaken, there was also a cross originally way back in the 1900s. The statue is about 6 meter long by 6 meter wide. It's about 1/5 of the one at Rio de Janeiro. As you can see, there are a lot of people here because it's a common area and it's a well-known area in Gozo. And have a look at this beautiful scenery from here. It's a wow, eh? It's 360 degrees of this beautiful small island, which is Gozo. And that was the end of another vlog from here, from Lolja Tal-Merżuq in Maltese. It was the Salvatur, Jesus the Savior statue up there. I gave you some information about the last one that was installed over there. So, hope you enjoyed our adventure. Please subscribe, like and comment on our channel. Until the next one, bye bye.